Hey, this is Ron with My Contractor's License and giving you a test tip today. When you go to PSI to take an exam, it's very common for you to encounter what we call beta questions. These are questions where you actually have more questions on the test while you're taking your test than you expected. So let's say you're taking a test that's supposed to have 50 questions like a business and law exam. It's very common for you to encounter that you got 53, 54, even all the way up to 60. They can add 10 extra questions onto your exam. Now, what's happening here? These are questions that PSI is testing out to see if they want to bring into the real test, so they're looking at the scores and all that. But for you and I, while we're taking this test, we cannot get these questions right. We cannot get them wrong. Okay, so we're just encountering them. They're throughout the entire test. They're not like at the beginning or at the end of your test. So when you start your exam, always look to see how many questions are on it, and that'll tell you instantly whether or not you've got some fake questions in there. Now, if you're taking the NASCLA exam, this is the 5.5 hour long trade exam, you're always going to get 10 extra questions. That test is 115 questions, but they always will issue 125. It's not an option on a NASCLA exam. You will always have those extra 10 questions, okay? But if you're taking a trade exam, you may or may not get them. If you're taking our course, we'll have a part 2 to this video, and then we'll explain how you can capitalize on these beta questions also.